Alright, I'm just cutting up sweet pepper. This is yellow. Putting a little sweet pepper in it. Okay, sweet pepper.
Okay.
Also, I'm gonna put a little piece of the green one. So.
And thing I mean like about the different pepper them thing, different color them, it just give the food like an extra like pop. I don't know if you not feel that, but I like
Yeah.
color in my food.
Yes, and me have the red one too, but you want me to put some?
No, I don't need the red one. Not good. Cause I got the tomato, I got the onion, and well the garlic not really, no, but it's good, but yeah. Yeah, so I'm gonna cut up them now. Careful, I think I know top boss.
Knife tool was sharp now.
Okay, now the other way through.
Yeah, you saw it now go all the way through. May have sharp now. With the knife. Alright, this is onion, white onion.
And some people have onion cutter, but I need no onion cutter. I cut up onion with the knife and thing. So wait, will I use the whole of the onion?
No.
Oh.
Just a liquor. It's just one tin of Ackee.
Okay.
Yeah, so this is the onions. Onion, so it's sweet pepper, onion.
And then boom, the garlic.
A little piece of garlic.
You see that some though she use like the back of the knife and crush it? I don't know if I know do that. And some me always say I do it, but I don't know if I know have a different way. Little piece of onion. You need a bag of onion because you don't want to eat Ackee and taste garlic. I mean garlic.
Just a little piece of And then now I'm gonna do the tomato knife. Really don't want to sharpen.
Boom.
Oh.
Yeah, tomato like one of my favorite vegetables. Operated. It and can. Yeah. Just add that little extra something there, you know? And while this is going, I'm just zoom over. So I'm see the dumpling them still a bubble. So go on. Well, yeah, the yam. And we have the Ackee right here, so still just go and do it thing. We just start with
the seasoning there. Alright.